What's going on YouTube? Effect Records here. Today I'm bringing you an introduction video to my Lancer to Evo build. Alright guys, so here is my 03 Lancer ES that I'm trying to convert into a Evo basically right now. Since I got my real Evo, I'm just going to go ahead and bite the bullet and since I got this one back, kind of make it like an Evo, but not really, but at the same time, yes. As you see, I put on the Evo 8 wing, or 9, it's one of those, but because I know they have two different styles for them, and this is the one I got for my Lancer. It's the one I liked the best. So that was kind of a pain to get the holes lined up and everything. I got a rear blue tow hook on it. There's just some stuff that I've already done to it, and now I'm going to start up my videos again. I'm doing everything else for it. And I got my front tow hook on here with my, doesn't look pretty, but it's a weld with my nut welded onto the frame, and then just threaded my tow hook in there. And it's definitely solid, so yeah, we got it running. So it does run and drive now. We got the engine in and all that stuff, so now it's ready time to get to the build. So yeah, I'm gonna show you basically in this video just the stuff I already ordered and the stuff I got in the mail, because I'm still waiting on like the blow off valve, because I'm putting a turbo in this. Yes, it is an automatic, so calm down everybody. I know it's an automatic and I'm not too worried about it. I mean, I still got my Evo GSR for my manual, and this is just going to be my automatic daily driver. You know, if it's rainy, I'll take this one out, so because I don't like to get my other one dirty. But anyway, yeah, let's basically show you what I'm going to be doing. So I already got the wing on it, got tow hooks, and then in the inside painted the interior all black basically, and I got the intercooler there with the turbo, which I did some mods to it to get it to work properly, which I'll show you on the turbo portion of the videos when I'm doing the turbo, get into all that. But got newer gauges, but I haven't put them in yet. I still got to do the headliner black, and I ordered some chrome handles instead of the tan ones. Ordered some chrome ones, just waiting for those to come in so I can replace those. And then I'll show you the seats that I got also, because the seats came in today. Got new calipers on it, painted them red, and then I painted the black drum brakes in the back and the rear. So yeah, now this car, I'm going to finish it off by painting it silver. I just painted it black real quick just to see what it looks like, and I'm not a huge fan of black on vehicles. It's just not my personal taste. I love the silver that it was, so I'm going to repaint it back to silver when I start school again. Basically, it's probably when I'm going to do that. I did all the underbody with undercoating and got all the rust off that, so I'm going to be putting a turbo in it, racing seats. I'm going to do some other things to it. I got a, here, let's go look at what I got in the mail. Basically, just showing you basically what's to come. So I got an entire exhaust system, which is pretty big right there for it. Just came in today with the, I'm also going to put a catalytic converter on it, which is right down there. But these pipes are pretty dynamic, or not dynamic, thick, pretty open, so I can definitely let the engine breathe. So that's what I'm going to be installing on it for that, for the exhaust side. And then I got my seats right over here. They're blue and black racing seats. The entire back of them are blue, since I'm doing a blue and black and silver theme, I guess, but on the interior is going to be black and blue and stuff. So yeah, blue and black is what I got for the racing seats. And then I got the stuff for the turbo down there, and then the dual stage boost controller, oil drains and oil lines are basically in the bag. O2 sensors, some switches, you know, just stuff like that I'm gonna be throwing on the Lancer. And if you guys got any other ideas, please let me know. I also have in the basement that I haven't put on yet, I got rain guards, and I got a vortex generator. I'm gonna be putting a mud flaps on it. Some nice mud flaps on it. Like, it's basically gonna look pretty cool. Like, I plan on putting a roof scoop in it. So when I'm at the track, hopefully, because I hopefully to make a decent amount of power, but when I'm at the track, I'm not going to use my AC, so I'm going to cut a hole in the hood or the roof, my bad, and attach a roof scoop in it, but it's all going to be functional. It's going to have a vent so I can close it, you know, so if it rains, just keep it closed. And then when I want to need it, just open it up is the plan. Now the hood, I was thinking about getting one of those Evo, it's like an Evo design stick-on vent thing, but with that being said, it's going to be functional. I'm going to cut a hole in the hood, plan it out, take my cutoff wheel, try to cut a nice hole in the hood, and then make it all smooth, protect it from rust, and then stick that on top, and I think it'll look kind of cool on it. So it's not full planned yet on what I'm going to do with that, but I'm going to go a little bit ricer as well, such as I was thinking about Lambo doors in the front, suicide doors in the rear, maybe some shaved door handles. I'm going to get some coilovers, some nice black and blue coilovers, new rims, but I want to get like nice racing rims, like 5-spoke racing rims for it, headlights, taillights, new, you know, just stuff like that. You know, I already put a Sparco quick release steering wheel adapter hub thing on it, and yeah, it's just basically what I've been doing lately on my Lancer, because I know it's been a while since I posted a video. I've been really busy, just started a new job, and it's been killing me, you know, because I work third shift, so it's like I sleep all day, but I didn't work last night, so that's why I'm up and wide awake. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos of this. So if you like this video, please comment, rate, and subscribe to see more awesome videos. All right, peace.